So with stone benchtops, there's a number of options available. I think we're all probably fairly familiar with marble and granite, your natural stones. Really making quite a bit of a comeback. Some beautiful products available. It's just an awareness that sometimes they require a little bit more maintenance and thought as you use them, being porous, susceptible to staining and things like that. But even now there's some really good products to seal them and to work with them, so you don't discount them at all. There's some beautiful things available. One of the probably biggest range of benchtops that people use are your engineered stones or your man-made stones. Caesar stone, we all know of. Then there's another whole heap of other ranges: quantum quartz, soul stone, Esser stone, smart stone, stone ambassador, probably plus another half dozen more. They're all variations of the same. Caesar stone have marketed themselves better than anyone. They've really led the way with that brand of stone. From there you've got other stones like porcelain. There's a brand called Decton and another one called Neolith, it's like a tiled benchtop. Beautiful, some awesome finishes, really getting into some of your sort of matte, sort of velvet finishes. Just need to be mindful because they can, being a tile, the leading edges of those can sometimes be a little weaker than what you might find with, say, your engineered stones or your natural stones. So just again, every product, there's positives, there's some things to be mindful of in terms of usability, and we'll have those conversations with you. Stainless steel benchtops, still available, look fantastic. Don't do many of them in a domestic setting, really probably a lot more for commercial. You've got some Korean benchtops, really hygienic. The hygienic properties of those are amazing. Sometimes probably some of their base colours don't have a lot of the character that people are after, but again, really worthwhile discovering, researching, having a look at. The finishes with your benchtops these days are awesome, from your veined products through to your real neutral sort of colours. But yeah, we'll chat all those things through with you in our showrooms and with our designers.